Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got a big old box. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We're staying home and just slow down, guys. It'll be over soon. Everything will be alright. So you guys can check this company out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. They'll ship this to you in no time. We are in the holiday rush, guys. Santa Claus will be here shortly. And I think you still have time to order this today. And it might still arrive before Christmas. So keep this one in mind when you're looking through the week. Or you can always get a good old digital gift cards. And you can still tell them to buy this one or something like that. Get an Amazon gift card and find out the total of this item. And then put that amount on the gift card and, you know, make it buy it. There we go. What we got in here? Oh boy. We got some fun. Ooh, baby. Solar LED garden light 2-pack. 2 boxes. Where does this come from? 50,000 hours working lifetime. Ooh. This will be a nice addition to your backyard, your courts for your basketball court, maybe your golf. Who knows what you guys do with your yards now, but this will be a nice addition to it. And all you gotta do is click the link down below. Alrighty, sorry guys about that. You guys just took a F5 from Brock Lesnar. That was a big drop, so make sure you guys are okay after that. Alright, now we got these out of the box. We're going to do one, because I mean they're the same, but you get a 2-pack in this one. And I'm going to maybe today put them out in the backyard and show you guys, do the install and stuff. But right now, we'll do the unboxing and do the light test, see how bright these things are, and see how they look. Alright, here's one of them. Nice LEDs. There, I see them. Here's another one. And that box is empty, so that's what they are. Let's take a look. Gotta cut these out. And then I think those are for the ground. You could stick it in the ground. The spikes. Ah, there we go. Snap. Snap time. And then they got the screws right here. That's cool. Something different. Yeah, these are like the wooden or the stakes you put. Oh, these are nice. Not no plastic ones. Like little daggers. That to the side. And snip. And screws and anchor. Like this. Oh, this is a nice finish to it. Look at that bling. Bling, bling. There's the lights that it looks like. Nicely made. See, there's a button. Yep. I gotta get a paper clip to reset, but there's the top. There's the solar. Wow. Once in a while you might have to clean the solar too, so just be careful. Be right back. Alright guys, I didn't realize the see-through plastic are here. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now we got the other one done. There we go. And then take a paper clip, like so. Whoa. Whoa. I think you could adjust these lights. These are bright even in the daytime. Yeah, see? Just click. Bright. Oh yeah. I'm sure this will annoy my neighbors. Look at that. And I'm going to turn off the lights to see if we could get so much light or darkness more in there, but it's still kind of cloudy outside. 2, 3. About 3 seconds, you're going to hold it and see that's on like that, the red dot. And then press it again. One time, and you'll see the green dot. So I think that's for the sensors. But that one's good. Let me try it again. Should I get 2 of them going at the same time? That would be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Oops. Hold on 1 second, guys. There we go. Well, they both went out now. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause. Turn off the lights. There we go. These are really bright. So check them out, guys. The link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And be safe. Have a good night. See ya.